Today I am delighted to take you on a journey to one of the most sacred and significant sites in the world, the Mahabodhi Temple. Location: it is situated in Bodh Gaya, Bihar, India. It is near the river Phalgu. Bodh Gaya lies 115 south of the state capital of Bihar, Patna, and 16 kilometers from the district headquarters at Gaya in eastern India. The sacred site draws pilgrims and tourists from all corners of the globe. ऐसा माना जाता है कि 2500 years पहले गौतम बुद्ध ने इसी जगह एनलाइटमेंट लिया था. Now let's know more about the history of Mahabodhi Temple. The Mahabodhi Temple complex is one of the 4 sites related to the life of the Lord Buddha and particularly to the attainment of enlightenment. The first temple was built by Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century BC, and the present temples dates from 5th or 6th centuries. It is one of the earliest Buddhist temple built entirely in brick, still standing in India from the late Gupta period. Traditional accounts say that around 589 BCE, Siddhartha Gautam sat in meditation under a peepal tree, which later becomes known as the Bodhi tree. According to Buddhist scriptures, after 3 days and 3 nights, Siddhartha attained enlightenment and the answers that he had sought. The Buddha then spent the succeeding 7 weeks at 7 different spots in vicinity meditating and considering experience. Several places at the current Mahabodhi temple related to the traditions. The first week was spent under the Bodhi tree. During the second week, the Buddha remained standing at the stared uninterrupted at the Bodhi tree. This spot is marked by the unblinking stupa or shrine. He spent the 4th week near Ratnagar Chaitya to the northeast side. During 5th week, Buddha answered in details to the queries of Brahmins under the Ajapala. 6th week next to the lotus pond, and 7th week under the Rajyatna tree. Let's talk about architecture. Mahabodhi temple is constructed of brick and is one of the oldest brick structure to have survived in eastern India. It is considered to be fine example of Indian brickwork. The Mahabodhi temple is surrounded on all 4 sides by stone railing, about 2 meters high. The railing reveal 2 distinct types, both in style as well as the material used. It is built in the Gupta architectural style. The towers are hollow and allowing for shrine and meditation area within structure. Now, spiritual significance. बुद्धिस्ट के लिए महाबोधि टेम्पल का एक अलग ही स्पिरिचुअल सिग्निफिकेंस है, क्योंकि ये माना जाता है कि इसी जगह गौतम बुद्ध ने बुद्धि भी प्राप्त की और निर्वाण भी प्राप्त किया. निर्वाण, which refers to the state of liberation from the cycle of rebirth. It is considered one of the most significant events in Buddhist history. बुद्धिस्ट ट्रेडिशन के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो गौतम बुद्ध ने 35 इयर्स की एज में एनलाइटमेंट गेन किया और बाकी के 45 इयर्स he spread his teachings and wisdoms to others. At the age of 80, when he stayed at Kushinagar, which is today present in Uttar Pradesh, Buddha announced to his disciples that his death was approaching. उन्होंने अपने शिष्यों को इन्फॉर्म कर दिया था कि उनकी मृत्यु निकट है. So according to Hindu lunar calendar, on the full moon day in the month of Vesak, Buddha entered into महापरिनिर्वाण. बुद्ध के महापरिनिर्वाण को बौद्ध धर्म में आदर और सम्मान के रूप में दुनिया भर में मनाया और पूजा जाता है. It is the symbol of supreme spiritual attainment and the attainment of nirvana, the ultimate goal of Buddhist practice. महाबोधि टेम्पल को 2002 में यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट में इंक्लूड किया गया. I hope you did like the information about the World Heritage Site. Thank you.